long time no see. We are installing a new CV axle because mine is awful. I don't know if I'm inserting the video before or after, but you can hear this popping sound. It's awful. So we got a 36mm socket and the new Master Pros thing. I don't obviously know why, but I didn't want to spend any more money, and they were on sale, so it couldn't be at $60. So I'm actually have another one coming because they didn't have two of them. So order that because my passenger side is leaking. Well, not leaking, but ripped. So that one's that. So the other side is just the worst side because this side's not popping yet. It's the driver's side, and this one's just leaking. Just repeating everything I'm saying. So I've heard a couple of ways to do this. You can just take the center cap off and whatnot and then undo it, but I don't know if you can do it with the dust cap on. So I'm just going to take off the actual wheel and lift it up and get it off. So it shouldn't be too bad. It should be 36mm nut and then 15mm bolts in there. So let's get her off. You'll get the dust cap off, which I had this one replaced a little over, I'd say a little less than 2 years ago. But I would a little flathead screwdriver and it popped off pretty easy. Now 36mm, put it on there, get her off. So right now I'm just putting the 15mm hit there on my last one right here, and so I'm using a long extension, my 1/2 inch impact and getting them on because my little one didn't want to. I think the battery's dead in that one, but yeah, just keep spinning it and then you get to every single bolt and you're good. I'm on my last one, so here's a new one. You can definitely tell this one, the old one, has some play in it, kind of creaks and clanks, as this one you can just hear more of the rubber, but be careful not to rip the things. I don't know why they don't make them like tougher or something, but yeah, let's put it back in. Also too, what makes it super hard on these leveled or just stock trucks is the sway bar link has to come out. It sucks. It's just too tight between the shock and the sway bar link right there. It's way too tight. Just, you can't. I tried everything, lifting it, moving it, turning the wheel. It doesn't come out, so you gotta take that out, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. It wasn't too bad. And since I had the kryptonite ones, I tried taking one piece out to see if I'm like, okay, next piece. I'm like, oh, I'm just taking the whole thing off. So yeah, I gotta take that off. It sucks, but you have to do it. The blue thread locker, put them on all the new, or all on the bolts. So got that in there. So once you get it on, it's pretty easy. Make sure you put that washer right there that's in between here. Put that on there. Get those down, and then we'll torque them all down. I want to say it was like 60 foot-pounds, and this is like 120. Put that on, do that, and then we're good.
Several days later.
So it's been a couple weeks. I finished that video. Everything went great. Everything's on that side is good. We're gonna do the passenger side now. I got another one, and yeah, that's how you do it. It's really not anything crazy. Make sure you just torque it. Super annoying thing about that is just a sway bar link, which I'm gonna do on this side, but super easy, not bad. And we're gonna do my ball joints now.